Hey, it's Rob here, and I want to talk about the number one mistake that happens in any of our done for you plans. So, our done for you plans are very straightforward, very simple. We're going to take care of all of your content. You get a review that comes in. We're going to send you an email letting you know that review came in and some suggested replies. You let us know if you're good with it or which one you want to do or how you want to change any of those replies. We're going to take care of your posting for you. We'll do blogs for you if we're doing your website as well. So you have all this content that we're doing in all these pieces. But there's one number one thing that a lot of business owners make the mistake of. They go, well, it's done for me. And then they get mad because they might not be getting the results that they are looking for. So if you don't communicate with us and say, hey, I'm not getting any results, we would have no idea that those results were not happening. We'd have no idea that there was things that needed to get tweaked. If we don't hear from you, we assume that you are getting results. We assume that things are working. We assume that there's no tweaks that we need to be able to make. Because if we don't get that feedback and we don't get any loop, we figure things are good. You're headed down a road, you're busy, and we're doing the right stuff. But if you're not getting those results, you need to be letting us know. You need to be staying in the loop. You need to be sending us photos. You need to be making sure that we are in the loop and in contact with you. So if you're not getting those results, you got to be able to make sure you do it. I mentioned photos because that's the number one way to be able to boost things out when we're not getting results. We're looking for photos. We're looking for content. Some have usually how to tweak stuff. And usually that's where that ends up landing up. But that's the number one mistake. People don't communicate when things aren't working. Remember, we can't see how many phone calls are coming into you. We can't see how many people are walking into your business. We can't see any of those things. So inside of the voice search world, there's no kind of reporting. There's none of that. There's some stuff on local SEO. I don't trust Google's reports, especially right now with all the things happening with Google. But if you don't communicate with us that things are not happening, or you don't call for a scheduled call for scheduling an appointment, we assume everything's going good. I've got a lot of people who check in with by email and say, hey, this is what I'm averaging. Hey, here's where we're at. This is what we're doing. Support at simplybefound.com. That is where we want to hear from you. We want to know if it's working or if it's not working and how to tweak it. If you're on one of our lower plans, say you're on our pro plan and you get that marketing coaching and your things are not getting the results that you're looking for, let us know that as well. And so we can coach you so you can do the right things so you're getting the results that you're looking for. Sometimes there's some different pieces of competition and stuff out there where it takes a little bit of tweaks. Sometimes it takes a little bit more content. Sometimes it takes different pieces, but we can work through that to be able to take it to the next level. That's the number one mistake happening on their done for you plans, and I want to make everybody aware of it. Thanks again for being one of our members, and I greatly appreciate it. Make sure you're communicating with us and letting us know if things are working, not working, because that communication goes a long way on the success of what your marketing campaigns are going to be, especially when it comes to organic. So make sure you communicate with us and let us know where things are. If you're not currently a member of ours, check out simplybefound.com, subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this. Thanks.